Good morning everyone, and welcome back to some more new video here on the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. We're here on Roscoe Boulevard, about to merge or get on the 405 at the on-ramp there, off-ramp there. We're going to see if we catch any good old-fashioned red light runners here at the red light. Yellow, and that Prius definitely came off at red. What are you doing? Get out the way, Lexus. Blocking the intersection like always. I'm Sab Crazy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Be good drivers, people.